Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Mountain State here in West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're headed towards Timberline Mountain, located in Davis, West Virginia. My favorite mountain here in the Mid-Atlantic. If you've seen this before, 1,000 feet vertical, 20 total trails. We've had an incredible amount of snow sweep through the region. I believe about like 17 inches in the last week. They're expecting to have every single trail open today for opening weekend here. We'll see where our journey takes us, of course, but for now we're headed towards my favorite spot in the Mid-Atlantic. As you can tell, I always wear this hat everywhere, Timberline Mountain, because it's the king of the Mid-Atlantic so far at a 4.4 shred score. So we're not going to be given one today. That will still stand until further notice. I don't know if anything out there's capable of beating it in the Mid-Atlantic. You know, the Northeast doesn't necessarily count. Looking forward to getting on the hill, shredded some turns, and let's get ripping. Folks, and welcome to Timberline Mountain's opening weekend here in West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get out here. We are ripping. This is the best opening to a Mid-Atlantic season that I can remember. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Timberline Mountain. What a day it was out there. Unbelievable conditions for Mid-Atlantic opening day. I mean, I've never witnessed anything like this before in my life. Again, that's why I wear the hat. That's where I get the shred score from. Timberline Mountain, 4.4 in the Mid-Atlantic. It has to do with the mountain ops teams. It has to do with the way they care about this place. It's just all about shredding. Not necessarily a lot of places to stay nearby, right? But You know, Timberline Mountain, West Virginia, you know, sometimes the state gets a bad rap, but honestly, always had the best time out here. The friendliest folks. Every single trail opened by the end of the day. We went down pretty much every trail here. Just outstanding variety for the terrain. It all goes to one lift, so it can get a little crowded at the lift. But today, there was a crowd here, but the lift and the team sorting everybody, that, you know, that's part of why the shred score is so high. Like, they get everybody through like cattle. I'm not really sure where I'm headed next week, but thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.